Hello and welcome to the second episode of our journey through the human cell. Today we're going to be talking about ribosomes. Ribosomes are something like the factory of the cell. They produce peptides, which then turn into proteins. This process is called translation. I made another video addressing the translation specifically, so if you're looking for that, I'd recommend that you go watch that. The ribosomes can be found bordering the rough endoplasmatic reticulum. It is some kind of tunnel network next to the nucleus. As well as that, the ribosomes can be found floating in the cytoplasm. If you take a close look, you may notice green dots in the cytoplasm. This is the simplified structure of a ribosome. There's a large subunit on top and a small subunit underneath. They both consist of rRNA, the ribosomal RNA. Remember that stuff that's produced in the nucleolus, in the nucleus. I made another video, it's episode 1 of the series. And proteins. And in these subunits, you may notice a few numbers with an S at the end, like 60S and 40S. The S stands for Svedberg. It's a unit. I'm gonna make another video specifically addressing the Svedberg unit. It's some kind of sedimentation unit, and I will elaborate further upon that in another specific video. What happens in the ribosome is a translation, as I mentioned before. The ribosome reads mRNA whilst being delivered amino acids, and the mRNA functions as some kind of blueprint for the peptide chain. So reading the mRNA and using the amino acids, the ribosome produces peptide chains. The peptide chains then fold into proteins. This is not the entire process, however, of the protein biosynthesis. There's the process that's called transcription. Again, another video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.